This is my year trade for 95 pip on September 11th. And the next one, let me see. This is GC trade, short trade, 400 pip on the 12th, September 12th, 2023. And this one is EJ buy, just the opposite one. Those two are sell, and this is the buy for 80 pip, 13th September today. And these are just few that I'm showing. I usually get maybe 10 to 15 trades every week, just like that. So this is the system that I have, and let me introduce myself first before I go further. Let me show you that I am in this business for more than like 13 years. Here, Forex Factory, I opened my forum here, my thread in February 2008. So you can see I'm very, very old in this business. And also I have this YouTube channel, and I have almost like more than 1100 videos. I think I'm more than 1200, but it says here 1.1K. So that's okay. So this is my old name of my website. By the way, this channel name is My Forex Magic Wave, and this is me. The picture is also old, 13-year-old. And yeah, so I have so many videos here to watch and learn. And then I have this website. I changed the name recently. It was My Forex Magic Wave before. Now it's Creative Trading System. And you can come here, and then you can see what services that I offer, and everything else, previously taken trades last week, current week, and trade, technical analysis, Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, everything is in here. And you will get the idea that how I take these trades. Let me just show you again. This is the one, EA on the 11th, and this is I'm just showing one trade per day. GC on the 12th September, 400 pip, and here uh, September 13th today I'm making this video. It's an EJ trade, right? So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, then you can go to my website, or here I have another video, free video, that shows exactly how the system works, right? By the way, this is my analysis. These are charts that I made for, like, for example, it's EU, all the highs and the lows and the Elliott wave counts and this and that is all there. It's a EA. You can see it's like Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And GA, this is all the bullets and the numbers there for high and the lows. Everything, all the pairs and all the indexes I have prepared, even indices, US 30, S&P 500, gold, oil, everything. I have made these charts, which I provide to my subscribers. So go ahead and click the button says learn more, so that you can get a free video, so you can watch and learn how this system works. And if you like, then you can join. All right, so this is it for now. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.